Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick haul of some items that I picked up at Sephora and also at Ulta. It's been over a year since I actually spent money on makeup, so I thought it was time to re-up. And Sephora was having their spring sale, so I decided to take advantage of the 10% that I got because I lost my VIP points because I didn't buy anything for a year. So let's start off with Fenty Beauty. I got the lip gloss in Fenty Glow. Love this lip gloss. And I also got the Fenty cream in Fenty Glow also. I'm gonna put some on. I put too much on. And then I got the Fenty Hydrating Foundation, and I got the color in 330. I don't know if this is my perfect shade, but from what I can see, this looks great on my skin tone. The next foundation I got is the Rare Beauty Foundation, and I got it in 320W. And as you can see, the Fenty and the Rare Beauty actually color looks identical. I do feel like the Fenty is a tad bit more warmer than the Rare Beauty. I got the Huda Beauty Kanafa loose baking setting powder, and I got it in the travel size version. I got the Too Faced multi-use cup-in concealer in natural beige. That's the full size one. And then I got the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in deep. I'm probably going to use this as a bronzer, and that's probably why I got it. Or I probably use it as a face powder when I get a little bit more tan in the summer. So let's move on to skincare. I got the travel size version of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, this right here. And I also got the Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. I had the full size of both of these, love them very much, but I gave them to my mom when I went to Pennsylvania. So basically those are repurchases. And then I got the Drunk Elephant Retinol Cream. It is a travel size, and it also comes with the Behydra Intensive Hydrating Serum. I got this because I really want some retinol in my skincare routine to get rid of dark spots and stuff. And I actually really love Drunk Elephant Vitamin C Serum. It's really good. It gets rid of your hyperpigmentation. I just can't get myself to pay $75 for one single item, but I'm probably going to buy it for myself for my birthday. So I got these. And if the retinol cream is good, I'll probably buy the retinol also. Then I got the Ole Henriksen Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner, and I got this in the travel size version. I don't use a lot of toners. My favorite toner is actually from Target. It is the Pixie Glow Tonic toner. So yeah, I wanted to see if this was good, especially if I'm going to be using a retinol. I don't want to use something as strong as the Glow Tonic from Pixie, so that's why I got this. The next thing I got is eye mask, and these are the caffeine masks from Sephora brand. I got some face masks, and this is the moisturizing and glow one. And this is the light lychee face mask. I got the nourishing and smoothing one, and it's made with coconut, and that's how it looks. I didn't get much of anything from Ulta. I did get this and this is the spring scent vault, and this is a $60 value. It has 20 pieces, sampler pieces, and it comes with a $15 gift card. So whichever one you like the most, you can use that $15 gift card to actually buy the perfume. And then I got the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Cream Concealer in 200 ml. I got the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Cream Concealer in 200 N, and it's in deep. This is probably going to be what I'm going to contour with. And then I tried their ColourPop Ultra Blot Lip in Tantally Tail. It's what I have on underneath the Fenty Beauty cream cream gloss. What your favorite product was from this haul, what you're going to get at Ulta or Sephora during their spring saving sale, and what else do you think I need to add to my list. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.